Hey, what's up, everybody? Mike Lovelace with Lovey's Fat Life, and today we're going to do a classic, a holiday classic that we do every year. Actually, on Christmas morning, I make a batch of these, but we're doing a little bit of a spin to this, but it's smoked pimento cheese sausage balls. Every year at Christmas time, Christmas morning, after we do a big breakfast, actually before we do a big breakfast, I fix a batch of sausage balls. This year, on this video right here, we're doing smoked pimento cheese sausage balls. So it only takes 4 ingredients for this recipe. And on that recipe, it takes 1.5 cups of Bisquick. It takes 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 pound of sausage. We use hot sausage, 12 ounces of pimento cheese. You bake it at 400 degrees for 15 to 17 minutes, or you can use it on a smoker. We do ours on a smoker, so we give a little bit of that smoke hint to it. But check out this video here. It's a really short video. Try it out on your smoker. You can try it out on your in your oven as well. But this holiday classic's a little bit of spin to it. Got a little bit of hint of that smoke taste to it if you do it on your smoker, and a little bit of that pimento in it as well. It's your favorite pimento cheese. But again, Lovey's Fat Life. The fat stands for food and travel. We love smoking meat, griddling meat, food reviews. And then we love travel. We love going to the Smoky Mountains, and we also love going on cruises and anywhere we can go. But you guys have a blessed day, and please like and subscribe to our channel. It doesn't cost you a dime. Have a great one. Thank you.
All right, as we mentioned, there's only 4 ingredients in this. You got some Philadelphia cream cheese or whatever brand cream cheese, 12 ounces of pimento cheese, whatever you want to purchase or make your own, some sausage, a pound of sausage, and some Bisquick. All right, now we're ready to start adding our ingredients. We add a 1.5 cups of Bisquick. We add a pound of sausage. We like hot sausages to give it just a little bit of a kick, but if you don't like hot things, just use a pound of regular sausage. Sometimes if you like it extra spicy, you can also add a little bit of cayenne pepper to it as well. We're going to add all this to our KitchenAid mixer. Here we just got some 12 ounces of pimento cheese. They didn't have our favorite, but we did buy this one, and it turned out really well. All right, so now we're going to add 4 ounces of cream cheese. I put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds to soften it up. That helps it mix more evenly. And then we're getting ready to turn the mixer on here and just let it do some really good mixing. All right, so now we're going to spray down our half pan with some nonstick spray. We had Pam here. And then I'll take an ice cream scooper and just scoop out about what a scoop worth is, and then just roll it around in your hand to create a ball. And that's how we create our sausage balls. We've always done it this way. You know, you don't have to use an ice cream scooper, whatever you want. You can make them smaller, bigger, whatever you like. But then, yeah, we're just speeding this up now 4 times as much and creating a full half pan. This makes about 25 sausage balls, pimento cheese sausage balls. All right, so we're at 400 degrees. We're gonna put these pimento cheese sausage balls on the RT700, the recteq bull. We're gonna let them ride for about 10 to 15 minutes, look at them, and they hopefully will be about done. So let's try this out. It's lightly drizzling out here. It's kind of a nasty day in North Carolina. Let's put them down in the center. Woo, that's hot. That bull can get hot on you. But 400 degrees, let's go for 15 minutes. All right, so it's been 15 minutes at 400.
and we're going to take a look at these and see how they look. And they definitely stretched out a little bit. The smell of sausage really smells good.
All right, these things are done. We brought them inside the house, and now we're just transferring them from the pan over to some paper towels to try to soak up a little bit of that grease on the bottom. You saw one that fell apart there when I was moving it, and I did have to kind of cheat and taste it ahead of time. These things turned out beautiful, and I'm getting ready to taste test them for you, and I guess I did cheat a little bit and tasted them ahead of time, but man, they turned out great, and they turned out beautiful actually too.
Hey, what's up everybody? Mike Lovelace here for Lovey's Fat Life, and we just got through making these pimento cheese sausage balls. We've done these one other time before, and they didn't really work out for us. I think we had the wrong mixture, but we found another recipe, and I like my bottoms crispy, and these are definitely crispy. They're not burnt, but they're crispy, and I can't wait to bite into these because one of them fell apart while I was moving them, transferring them from the pan to a paper towel to get some of the grease off the bottom. And they are still hot, and they feel really moist. They're still squishy, so let's try one of these out. Very moist. Very similar to your classic sausage ball. You can get a hint of the pimento every once in a while in it. But yeah, these are kind of very similar to your classic sausage balls. Very, very good. Definitely try this one out. It's very simple. Just cup and a half of your Bisquick, pound of sausage, 12 ounces of your pimento cheese, your favorite pimento cheese. And you can make your own pimento cheese as well. And it's very simple to make. Recipe will be in the comments. And a half a block, only 4 ounces of your Philadelphia cream cheese instead of a whole block. So you can double up that recipe to make twice as many. This made, I think, 25 or 26 of them. It was a full pan, but it's definitely worth a try, especially around the holiday season. We like them year round. So thank you guys. Please like and subscribe. Sorry I got a mouthful, but you guys have a blessed day.
Thank you guys for checking us out. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you like what we're doing. Here's a couple more playlists. You guys have a great day. Thank you again.